This is the Bosch Exxcel dishwasher. Not much I can say about it. It's a full set dishwasher. I don't know how many sets, because I'm not a big knowledge on dishwashers, but quite big. You can put these things up to put your things in if you want them. Top shelf. Put your dishes and your cups or whatever. That's for your knives and the utensils in there. That's your detergent compartment. Put the tablets in there. This is one of the rinse aid or salt compartments, but I've never actually put the stuff in there, so I don't know what it's actually for. Stainless steel interior. It's well made. German for Bosch, hopefully. This dishwasher is 7 years old. Purchased around 2007. And it's been very reliable so far. Never broken down, and it's on every night, which is very useful. We have the wash programs. That's the timer delay. We have a half load. If you only have half a load, it'll use half the amount of water. Auto, which is just for your plates, cups, glasses, pans and stuff. Eco's kind of an economy wash, but it's also for your cups and glasses and less things that need much washing. Quick is for like glasses and china and stuff, only that need a quick one, and there's a pre-rinse, pre-rinse, which we've never used. We have the 3 buttons in case symptoms arise, to check the water, refill the rinse aid and salt. Bosch. Now this button here is for timer delay, so you can set it to go on at any time you want to, which we regularly use. So if I just turn it on, press the button, so it comes up with 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, etc. You can use the half load with any of the options of the rinse programs. But I can't leave it on for too long because there isn't a start button on the machine. That's the on off to turn it on and off, but once you press an option on the machine, it will have about a 6-7 second delay and then begin, so there isn't a start button, so I could accidentally start it without setting it, which is a bit of a disadvantage, but it is very reliable and does wash well, so I think it's a good dishwasher. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this review, and I may do a video on the machine one of the coming days and upload it. Thanks for watching.